Good day, Ma'am Chairmate Johannes Lobo. I am Joanne S. Moldes from AB English Language 4A, Main Campus in Agusan Resort State College of Agriculture and Technology. I am here to answer all the questions on the social semiotic approach to multimodality discourse of the Badge of Sian Jiao Tong University. First question is, what is social semiotic approach? My answer in this question is, social semiotic approach is drawn upon by Halliday in order to provide frameworks for conceptualizing the complex array of semiotic resources which are used to create meaning arising from the integrated use of those resources in communicative artifacts and events by O'Halloran in 2011. Social semiotic approach is used because it helps to analyze the representational, interactive, and compositional meaning of the badge. The Badge of Sian Jiao Tong University belongs to multimodality discourse. It is made by image, language, and color in which the meaning realized through the social semiotic by Chris and Van Leeuwen in 1996. In addition, it is an approach to communication that seeks to understand how people communicate by a variety of means in particular social setting. Second question is, what is multimodal discourse? My answer is, it defined by Van Leeuwen in 2005 that multimodality is the combination of different semiotic modes. It involves the interaction of multiple semiotic resources such as language, gesture, dress, architecture, proximity lighting movement, gaze, camera angle, and so on by Halloran, Smith, and Podlasov in 2011. Third question is, how important is SFG or systematic functional grammar in analyzing semiotic and provide evidences? My answer is, SFG or systematic functional grammar is important because SFG is not just produces a correct structure of sentences, but it resources the making of meaning of a sentence. According to Halliday, every sign can tell people something. It is also useful in analyzing semiotic in a way on building grammatical structures into new approach to study of grammar that is radically different from the traditionally view in language use. Fourth question is, how important is understanding semiotic analysis in creating discourse? My answer is, based on my understanding, semiotic analysis is important, especially in creating discourse. It's because this would help in order to ensure the intended meanings for a piece of communication. It may also reveal the truth into how meaning is created and how meaning is communicated. As Littlejohn in 1996 said, that signs are the main basis of all communication. With signs, human can do any communication with each other. Alex Sobor in 2004 added that as a student studying semiotic analysis, it is also help towards achieving a lot of information in a various field in literature, art, philosophy, psychology, and anthropology. Last question is, describe a time in your life or experience when you use the social approach to multimodality discourse to evaluate an image. My answer is, for me, I use social semiotic approach to multimodality discourse in my life at the stage of 15 years old. At that time, I've been exploring different things, especially in evaluating images in order to understand and captivate ideas, and at 15, I have a lot of unraveled ideas in visual and geographic functions based on the statement of Chris and Van Leeuwen from Halliday's Systematic Functional Linguistics. At this stage, it primarily utilizes the visual communication towards the development of discovery. In that way, I think I have a lot of development, especially in understanding the social functions and different complexity that makes meaning making in my mind. And that could be all. Thank you, ma'am. And once again, I am Joanne S. Moldes from AB English Language 4A, Main Campus.